Hi there, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. It's time for another drawing tutorial. Let's see what we're going to need. Pencil, pen, eraser, and paper. Are you ready? Let's draw. First, lightly draw an oval shape for the cat's head. Next, lightly draw a larger oval for the cat's body. Lightly draw two upside-down V shapes for the ears. Draw a large curved line for the cat's big, fluffy tail. Next, add the hip and the back paw. Let's do the face next. Draw two eyes. For the nose, a small V, then a straight line, and two small curves for the cat's little smile. I think I'll add a cute little kitty tongue. Don't forget the whiskers. Now it's time to draw the front paws. Next, add the cat's toes. If you want, you can go back over the lines you drew for the head and the ears to create a softer, curved look. Draw the ear accents. You can also retrace the line for the body and the head to make it look smoother. Is your cat going to be a black cat, a calico, or a striped cat? Go ahead and draw the pattern now. Great job! There's your cute cat. So adorable. What else? I know. A giant ice cream cone. Draw an oval underneath the cat. Then a straight line down from the middle. Draw two lines equal distance from the first line you drew and connect those marks with the bottom of the line. Now draw a curvy line connecting those 2 points. Add a large curved line at the bottom. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? I'm going to make this ice cream cone bubblegum flavored. For the final touches on the cone, draw diagonal lines equal distance apart going in both directions. So cute! Now's my favorite part. Grab your marker and start inking. This makes all your hard work permanent. There you go, a cute kitty cat on an ice cream cone. This is great, you guys. Wait for the ink to dry, then take your eraser and remove the pencil marks. Don't forget to add your initial and date for a personalized touch. I love this. This is so cute. I am so hungry now. Join us again in 2 weeks. Check me out on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Of course, share with your friends. And comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye.